Okay, third graders, we are going to learn our last couple of amazing words. Remember, they're going with our question of the week of how do we get what we want and need. Our, we're going to quickly review the words we've learned so far. So we have learned exchange, which means to give it back and get another in its place. Bargain, which is something is a bargain if you get it for less than it usually costs. Browse means to look and see what is there. Budget is a plan for how you will save and spend money. Hastily is when something that is done too quickly or carelessly, so that mistakes are made. Compromise, in a disagreement, both sides give up a little of what they want, so they meet in the middle. Resource is something that can be used to meet a need. And product, something that is made in a factory or grown to be sold. Today's amazing words they go together, meaning that they both have the same idea, but they are actually opposite of each other. So the first word is import. What's the word? Import. To import means to buy something from another country and bring it into this country to sell. So meaning we are taking stuff from other countries like France and China and Japan or Germany, and we're bringing it into the United States to sell. So we read that workers in supermarkets unpack thousands of boxes to fill the shelves. Well, some of those foods, like fruits or vegetables, have to be imported from another country. So I want you to think about something that you would import, something that's from another country that you would want to be brought here, something that you might know that is in another country to be brought here. So I would import blank. Think of something that might be a food or an electronic that you know if you know where it's made. So I would import Kinder chocolates from Germany. And actually they are now being sold here, but it was hard to find for a while. So that's what I would import. I hope you were able to come up with your sentence. And the next word is actually the opposite, which is to export, which means to send out of the country. So something we make here in the United States that we are sending out to sell somewhere else. So think about if you make anything and you would like to export it to another country, you'd like to send it to another country to be sold. So I would export necklaces, or I would export a video game, something that you created that you would like to send out. So let's read the sentence together. You filling in your blank. I would export. Nice job. Those are our last two amazing words for this week. You guys worked hard this week. Nice job.